Alright, straight to the point. You're here for this and this. This is a spy camera, and I added this in the back because these cameras are good, but they're actually not good when you're walking because they're not very steady. Like if you do this to it, the video is gonna look like crap. It's gonna look it doesn't have stabilization. It's not like the phone that you can hold it, and if you move slightly, it'll, you know, this, if you move it, is like out of focus really quick. So I added this in the back, and I also noticed that this magnet, you can also put it on the fridge and it'll stay there nice and steady. And I had to make this because this thing back here was because I had another clip that was black and long, like about here, and when I would put it on here, that's all the position that I had. So if I had something on the side like to clip, it'll only be facing up, and there's no way I could, you know, turn it like this or anything like that. So I had to make this thing here, and let me give you a quick view all around. And I cleaned it up nice and neat. So okay, where did I get this, you're wondering? You get them at this I don't know what place, but I got them. A woman there gave it to me. She was throwing it away, trashing it. So I got them. It was a bunch of clips like this, and some come in clothing, like a clothing thing that you just hook on there. So you get them, and the bar is like long, and these they slide over. But what you can do is you can chop it, sand it down, and then get the little rubbers that it also comes with it, and cut them, and then glue them on there, and there you have it. And they won't slide out. The metal inside the bar won't slide out. And then the other, you just put a hole in it, like how you see there, and you know, and you get this metal here. This metal you find it at Home Depot, but they don't come like this. They have like a long bar like that, and you have to chop it. So I chopped that one and chopped the one that was here, and then I drilled it. This metal is super hard. I think it's stainless steel with mixed metal. So with that being said, it's very hard to not drill. You can drill it, but it's very hard to give it thread inside. And I noticed that because when I use screws like this, or these type of screws, hard drives, it would, like, you would force it in there, but it won't make the thread. So I had to put in caps with threads and glue it inside, is what I did. And this, you can also find it at Home Depot. There's screws. So it has a long screw that goes, it screws in, and then I screwed this one on top. As you can see, I chopped it also, and I put it in there. And what this does, you can open it and turn it. You see, let me just put it in position, and that's what it does. I put this here because it's easier for me to open it, because if it's shut, it shuts like almost very flush, and it's like, you know, hard to grip it. When I have that, it's better to like turn it. So that's how it looks. It does have a little bit of play, like a little bit of play, but once you have it like steady, like it goes in there, it doesn't touch, but the magnet keeps it from, you know, sliding. It keeps it nice and steady. So that's how it'll be when you want to clip it on top of something, or if you want to just clip it on the side, or if you have something on this side, you clip it, and let me see, and you turn it like, no, it was like this, like that. And if you have something on the side, you clip it like that, and then the rest is self-explanatory. You can turn it Like let's say you have it here, and then you can do that. And then if you don't want all this metal to be shining, if you have it outside, you cover it with a black rag or anything that you want. And then you can also put it here, but I don't recommend putting it there because it's kind of, it shakes, but it does hold it. I'll press it. You know, just to have it inside your room or something like that, where they don't expect it for it to be on. But yeah, this is really good if you do that. You put it on the fridge. Also, when you take it apart inside, you have to put, because you have the electronic there, it doesn't touch the screw. The screw doesn't touch, and what you do is you put something on the electronic, like a foam or something very thin. You put it on, so just to be on a safe side. It doesn't touch anyways because it's like all the way down here, and the screw is like way all the way. It's like way over here. But anyhow, I put it there just in case this might come loose. But this is very stiff because when I do things, I do it very sturdy, so it won't be, you know, a loose goose. And like that, you have it, you know, it'll last for a long time. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you for the view again. And I'm gone. Don't forget about the links down below. You can check that out too. A deviant art that I have and a bunch of other stuff that I do on the side. Well, thanks, and I'm gone.